Hi, so good morning. This is just an introduction of our company. So, our company is BS Trading. So, even we call it Badriya Saleh Commercial Brokers. I mean, Badriya Saleh Commercial Brokers LLC is a complicated name, but this name was the name of our local partner. So previously, I mean, she was a majority holder in the company. So, I mean, the company started in 1990s. In those days, we just decided to keep it Badriya Saleh Commercial Brokers. So, I mean, our major role at Badriya Saleh Commercial Brokers is sourcing agents. So we are sourcing agents for garments and home textiles. So for example, let me just give you an example. For if a client is, say, for example, looking for this taupe, we call it taupe or Arabian robe. So if he is looking for this product, he will come to us with a sample, and in many cases, we go to him with a sample as well, and we offer him a particular product. Um and then most of our clients are based in the souk, which is called Mushid Bazaar in Dera. A lot of our clients are also based out of UAE. So some clients are in Saudi, Kuwait, Qatar, etc. And so if the client comes to us with this inquiry that he needs a thobe or a robe, Arabian robe, then we go to the factory. The factories are based out of India, China, etc. Obviously, we are always looking for new factories. And then we give him a price for that product. And when we give him a price for that product, we take a particular commission from the factory. So it depends on the dealing, or it depends on the competitiveness of the product. So sometimes the factory gives us 3%, sometimes factories give us 5%. Also, we base it on the basis of the payment terms of the clients. So a lot depends on the payment terms. And um, then we quote this price to the buyer. So after the quotation, the next step is that if the client accepts the order, if the client accepts the order, we prepare the indent or the order sheet, and then we share that indent or the order sheet with the client and with the factory. And after the the process starts of merchandising, um, after that we communicate with the factory for the trims. Trims means the packaging material, etc. Sometimes we need approval samples from the factories, so the factories send us approval sample. Obviously, we need to design the packaging. All those things start from there on, and the end result is that obviously we are able to ship the goods to our client. If they are based out of Dubai, we give them the shipping documents in Dubai. If not, I mean, we send the documents by email, WhatsApp, etc. And this is just a small gist of what we are doing. Most of our goods are shipped from India or China to Dubai by sea. Hardly goods are shipped by air, and this is how the things work in the company. I'll just share some things like how we create the order sheet, etc. Just for you to see and to learn how we do things in the company. Just a moment, I'll be sharing the order sheet. So just have a look. This is like an indent sheet which we have created with the factory. In this case, Unica Trends is the buyer, and this is the supplier, Lakshmi Narayan Exports. Shipment time has been mentioned. So the order sheet was created, for example, on 8th of June 23, and we are expecting the shipment to be done by 10th of July. and delivery terms are, for example, FOB here. FOB means that the shipping cost will be borne by the buyer. In this case, it is Unica Trends, and when it turns to CNF, in that case, the shipment cost will be borne by the factory. In this case, Unica Trends is going to bear the shipping cost from India to Dubai. And this is the brand which this client has chosen. This is the just a gist of the towel. This is the three-line design which the client has selected. This is the weight. This is the quantity. This is the unit price. In this case, it is per dozen. And normally we do write remarks here. Shipment type, how it is required. It is required in a 40 feet container or a 20 feet container. And some instructions which we sometimes receive from the buyer, or we have some standard instructions which we always give to the factory. So this is just a small information of how we are conducting our business. And